Have you ever felt exhausted, even on days when nothing big happened? That strange heaviness that sits behind your eyes and your chest, like you're carrying a load no one else can see. Most people think this exhaustion comes from working too much, but the truth is quieter. Your mind is crowded. Tiny decisions, half-finished tasks, emotional leftovers from yesterday. Each one sits inside you like an unopened tab on a browser that's been running for years. And eventually something inside whispers, "I can't do this anymore." In Japan, there is a concept called Kanketsu, meaning simplicity, that brings relief and clarity. It isn't just about cleaning your desk or making your room aesthetic. It's about letting the unnecessary fall away so your mind can breathe again. When you understand Kanketsu, you begin to realize that mental clutter is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign you've been trying, caring, and carrying more than anyone knows. And now it's time to release some of that weight. There's a story in a small temple outside Kyoto. A young man, stressed and overwhelmed, visited a monk seeking peace. The monk handed him a bowl filled with water and said, "Now walk." Naturally, water spilled everywhere. Young man panicked, apologizing. But the monk just smiled and said, "Your mind is like this bowl. It's too full to move with grace." That simple image changed his life, and it might change yours too. Kanketsu teaches us that clarity doesn't come from adding more motivation, more strategies, more routines. It comes from removing the excess. When you reduce what weighs you down, what matters rises to the surface on its own. You don't have to force purpose, confidence, or direction. They appear naturally, just like water becoming still when you stop shaking the bowl. That is the beauty of Kanketsu. It gives your life space to settle. Most people try to fix chaos by adding new habits, new goals, new systems. But if your life is already overflowing, adding more only builds pressure. In Japanese philosophy, Kanketsu asks a different question. What happens if you remove the unnecessary first? The answer is profound. You create mental room for clarity to grow. You are not improving yourself. You are uncovering the best version of you that was buried under noise. Think of the invisible anchors in your life. Relationships that drain you, expectations you never chose, guilt that no longer belongs to you, tasks you said yes to out of habit instead of purpose. When you let go of these anchors, you don't become empty, you become lighter, you begin to move again. Your thoughts stop tripping over themselves. And for the first time in a long time, you can feel the quiet voice inside you saying, "This is who I really am." Kanketsu offers a practical habit. Choose only 3 things that truly matter each day. Not 10, not 20. 3. The moment you do this, something unexpected happens. Your mind stops scattering its attention across everything and starts pouring its energy into what gives you meaning. It's not about doing less, it's about doing what counts. When you practice the 3-item rule, your brain experiences relief. Suddenly your day feels manageable, your purpose feels clearer, your heart feels calmer. Stop measuring your worth by how much you finish and start valuing the intention behind what you choose. This is the essence of Kanketsu. Clarity through focus, focus through simplicity. And simplicity begins with choosing less, but choosing better. If your life is packed to the edges with yesterday's worries, beliefs, and responsibilities, there will never be space for tomorrow's version of you. Kanketsu reminds us that every meaningful transformation begins with making space. When you clear mental clutter, you're not just simplifying, you're preparing the soil for new growth. You're saying to life, "I'm ready now." Imagine waking up with a mind that feels open instead of crowded. Imagine thinking clearly, moving intentionally, feeling emotionally light. That's the promise of Kanketsu. It's not about becoming perfect. It's about creating room for a healthier, stronger, wiser you to emerge. You are not stuck because you lack potential. You're stuck because you lack space. And today, you reclaim that space. Here is the truth you may need to hear. Your life isn't asking you to do more. It's asking you to release what no longer aligns with your heart. Kanketsu teaches that clarity is not a sudden dramatic revelation. It's a quiet shift, a gentle realignment. A moment when everything feels lighter because you finally stop forcing yourself to carry what isn't yours. When you embrace Kanketsu, you begin living with intention. Start choosing moments that nourish you. Start creating emotional and mental space to heal, to grow, to breathe. And slowly, beautifully, your life becomes clearer. Not because the world changed, but because you did. the clutter fades. The noise quiets, and what remains is the life you were always meant to live.